So here are 5 easy ways that you can find winning products in dropshipping, for e-commerce, or for business models like print on demand. The very first place is HC.com. So HC.com is a marketplace wherein people usually sell and people usually buy personalized products like t-shirts, or handmade products, crafts, arts and crafts, buttons, clothing. So just check out HC.com. Usually people buy products like these on these platforms, and most of the traffic comes from first world countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, mostly US. So when you go to HC, you want to go to the right category and you want to see in that particular category that what kind of products are actually there in the top of the page, because the products that you're going to see on the top of the page in any collection are the products that people are buying right now, and this is the reason that they are at the top. That's how HC's algorithm works. So after going through these products, you can take some inspiration from there, model those products, model those designs, not copy, model them and start selling them under your brand name. 2. Amazon. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce marketplace out there, and it is the best. They're the biggest company in the world right now. So you simply want to go to Amazon, go to the right category, see the bestsellers, see the top 100 products in that category, see the top 100 most wished for products in Amazon, and there's another category in Amazon wherein you'll be able to see the top 100 most asked for, most wished for, or the recently added products out there, the new products out there. So see these see these collections, see these categories, and take inspiration from there. 3. You can use ad spy tools. So there are ad spy tools like Big Spy or like Power Ad Spy or Ad Sector, wherein you can actually see the top ads being run by e-commerce companies, and you can take inspiration from there. You can really understand what people are doing, and what kind of ads they're running, what kind of ads are performing really good, what kind of ads are getting the most likes, the most shares, because in e-commerce, money is where the engagement is. So when you find an ad which has a lot of engagement, this most probably means that the advertiser is making a lot of money on it. So you can also make use of ad spy tools to find product inspiration. 4 is ethical competition spying. So as long as you know who your competitor is, you can go to their Facebook page, scroll down, on the left hand side you're going to find an option called page transparency. After going to page transparency, you would be able to see the ads these people are running. So have a look at their ads and you'd be able to see what kind of ads they've been running for a long time, take inspiration from there and make it work. And 5, self-creation. So you can actually get your own products created. If you're in the physical product business, you can you can find manufacturers in your area or from China, or if you're in the print on demand business like I am, you can actually think of designs, you can think of creatives after doing market research, get them made from a professional designer and start selling them. So ladies and gentlemen, here are 5 easy ways of finding winning products for print on demand, for e-commerce, or for dropshipping, Shopify. And guys, if you are here in this video right now, I'm 100% certain that you really want to make this work. I have something really cool for you. There is something called the 5-day e-com freedom challenge that I've been running for the last 1 year. Over 13,000 people have become a part of this in the country, and in the 5-day e-com freedom challenge, it is a course which teaches you, it is a challenge which teaches you how to go live with your e-commerce business in 5 days, without any coding experience, without owning any inventory. It is the best thing on the internet right now. So go to the link that you see on your screen right now. It's joinefc.in, or go to the link in the video description. Have a look at it and become a part of the next batch. You're absolutely going to love it. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to catch you with you guys in the next video, and hopefully in the 5-day e-com freedom challenge. Cheers.